Hello, friends. Welcome all of you in your own YouTube channel, Illuminating Group 360 Education. This YouTube channel designed to provide free education to students, and in this order, we have launched a new course for students who are preparing for law entrance examinations of various law schools. And in that course, we have started providing the videos on two bases. The first is the theory based, and second is the question based. And in that sequence, it is the sixth part of the question bank, which is based or which is prepared for constitution and politics that are asked in the several universities entrance examinations. So basically, in this part we will cover 20 questions from question number 1012 to question number 121. So now let us begin with the video. Question number 101. Which article of the Constitution of India provides for cooperation between the states? Which article of the Constitution of India provides for cooperation between the states? आर्टिकल 360 जो है ये तो फाइनेंशियल इमरजेंसी से रिलेटेड है. आर्टिकल 32 कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल रेमेडी है. आर्टिकल 263 विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर. 101 का ऑप्शन नंबर डी. Okay, so now next question. The members of the Planning Commission have the status equal to that of Central Cabinet Ministers, State Ministers, Deputy Ministers, Member of Parliament. So answer will be option number A, Central Cabinet Ministers. Question number 103. Which among the following is not created by the Constitution? Which among the following is not created by the Constitution? Planning Commission, Finance Commission, Election Commission, UPSC. So answer will be Planning Commission, option number A. Question number 104. The chairman of the Planning Commission is the President, Vice President, Prime Minister, Speaker. So answer will be Prime Minister, option number C. The chairman of the Planning Commission is the Prime Minister. Question number 105. The Constitution of India is parliamentary because there is an elected president, there is a bicameral legislature, there is a Supreme Court, the executive is responsible to the legislature. So comment answer of this question. The executive is responsible to the legislature is the correct answer. The executive is responsible to the legislature. Question number 106. India is a republic in the sense that option number A, it has an elected head of the state, it has an elected head of the government, it has a bicameral legislature, it has sovereign power. So answer will be option number A, it has an elected head of the state. It has an elected head of the state. Question number 107. Chairman of the Finance Commission is appointed by the Prime Minister, Council of Ministers, President or Vice President. So it is option number C, President. Question number 108. Planning Commission was formed by Government of India by a resolution in 1950, 1947, 1944, 1946. So it is option number A, 1950. Question number 109. Which of the following is not a feature of the Constitution of India? Which of the following is not a feature of the Constitution of India? It is democratic, it is republic, it is federal, it is presidential. सो अगर हम लोग इसका आंसर देखें तो ये डेमोक्रेटिक है, रिपब्लिक भी है और फेडरल भी है. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ये प्रेसिडेंशियल नहीं है, तो इसका प्रेसिडेंशियल करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज़ नॉट अ फीचर ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया? इट इज़ प्रेसिडेंशियल नहीं है. भारत में बेसिकली पार्लियामेंट्री फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट है, प्रेसिडेंशियल फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट नहीं है. इसीलिए यहाँ पर बेसिकली अगर हम लोग देखें पार्लियामेंट्री फॉर्म ऑफ गवर्नमेंट में क्या होता है कि स्टेट अलग काम करती हैं और आपके जो हैं सेंट्रल अलग काम करती है, मगर जो सेंट्रल होती है उसकी पावर ज़्यादा होती है. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पर चलते हैं. द वर्ड procedure established by law in the Constitution of India have been borrowed from. The word procedure established by law in the Constitution of India have been borrowed from United Kingdom, United States of America, French, or Germany. So the answer will be USA, United States of America. Question number 111. The President of the Constitution Assembly was Maulana Abul Kalam Azad, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल, डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर. बहुत ही सिंपल क्वेश्चन है लेकिन कभी कभी फ्रिक्वेंटली देखा जा सकता है एग्जामिनेशंस में. सो द आंसर विल बी डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद. क्वेश्चन नंबर 112. India, that is Bharat, shall be a union of states. From which constitution was adopted the words Union of States? United States, France, Swiss, Canada. So answer will be Canada. Option number D, Canada. Question number 113. The list dividing powers between union and states are given in the dash schedule. 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. So answer will be 7th. Option number D, 113. क्वेश्चन नंबर 114 पर आते हैं. द इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज एन इनैक्टेड वन, इवॉल्व्ड वन, अनरिटन वन, नन ऑफ दीज. सो आंसर विल बी व्हाट? इनैक्टेड वन. Diarchy was introduced at the provincial level by the Act of 1892, 1919, 1935, 1909. Answer will be 1919. Question number 116. ये भी डायरची से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन है. Diarchy was introduced at the center by the Act of Simple Ekdam 1909, 1919, 1935, 1947. आंसर विल बी 1935. डिफरेंस है दोनों के दोनों क्वेश्चंस में. क्वेश्चन नंबर 117. द ऑब्जेक्टिव रेजोल्यूशन इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली वाज मूव्ड बाय डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद, बी आर अम्बेडकर, जवाहरलाल नेहरू, अल्लादी कृष्ण स्वामी अय्यर. तो उद्देश्य प्रस्ताव संविधान सभा में किसने रखा था? सो आंसर विल बी जवाहरलाल नेहरू. Question number 118. The election to the Constituent Assembly was held in June 1946, July 1946, अगस्त 1946, सितंबर 1946. संविधान सभा में चुनाव कब किया गया था? सो आंसर विल बी व्हाट? इट इज़ जुलाई 1946. बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, इसको याद रख लीजिएगा, ये पूछा जाता है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 119. 119, प्रश्न संख्या 119. The Montagu-Chelmsford reforms is known as Government of India Act 1990, Government of India Act 1935, Government of India Act 1909 or Government of India Act 1892. So answer is Government of India Act 1990. 1990. Question number 120. Government of India Act 1909 is known as, simple question, Montagu-Chelmsford reforms, Minto-Morley reforms, Cabinet Mission Plan, Cripps Mission Plan. So answer will be Minto-Morley reforms. Minto-Morley reforms. साथ ही साथ कमेंट करके बताइएगा कि मिंटो मॉर्ले रिफॉर्म्स में कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट डिसीजंस हुए थे, वो क्या थे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 121. द ऑब्जेक्टिव रेजोल्यूशन वाज अडॉप्टेड बाय द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली इन जनवरी 1947, July 1947, August 1947, May 1947. So what will be the answer? It is January 1947. Question number 122. The Constitution Drafting Committee constituted by the Constituent Assembly consists of 5 members, 6 members, 7 members, 8 members. So the answer will be 7 members. So thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this informative video, do like, share and comment this video, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. This is Illuminating Group 360. Have a good day, and we will also request you all to please subscribe our YouTube channel because your support is very much needed in this time. Thank you very much.